We want to keep our investors informed and up to date on what's happening in the strategy, what's happening in the development. We're always on hand if you've got any questions.
Capital preservation and investor security is at the heart of everything we do. But in terms of exits, every project that we look at, we're always looking for the exit as a priority, and ideally through an institutional investor.
Evidence is very, very compelling. I just wanted to kind of share why we've decided to really go so headfirst into what seems like a very, very young sector within the industry.
We are specialists in purpose-built student accommodation. We're talking about a pipeline of between 6 and 10 new developments. Ed has also spent an incredibly long amount of time looking at build to rent, and we are the experts in build to rent, multifamily, PRS. Student accommodation is a high interest level. The UK is seen as a world centre of excellence for student education.
It's really about kind of saturation and the maturity of the market, and that was something that we saw quite early on, which was why we started to look into build to rent, which is an emerging market rather than a mature market.
We are FCA regulated, and we do stand by those ethics of transparency, open, honesty, etc.
Prosperity Capital Partners got registered with the FCA in 2015. So before they even started the first major project in Derby, and since then we didn't have any single complaint from any investor.
No investors have lost a single penny or a penny of interest. Everyone's been paid out. And one of the things that I'm really, really passionate about is doing what we say for investors. If I say to you, you're getting monthly interest paid and it's going to be on the 15th, I want it to be on the 15th. Investors always get paid first before the partners take a penny. So if there was nothing left, it would all go to investors, but that hasn't been the case. But we do offer our priority return. We can be really, really, really flexible with our loan agreements.
Think about using a pension to invest with Prosperity or any other thing you would care to do. There is no withholding tax, and the director's pension is free of income tax, free of corporation tax, free of capital gains tax, and free of inheritance tax. I don't know about you, but in my view that's pretty tax efficient. And I really enjoy the relationship with Prosperity and the fact that you can see what your money's doing. If you have got money in a pension and you like Prosperity, you can put the two together and make it happen.
And 4 years on, I'm extremely proud of where we are. I'm very proud of what we've created, what we've achieved, but more so what we are creating as well, moving forward. From an investor's perspective, it's important as well to see that it's not just the three youngish guns who are spending the money and buying deals and agreeing deals, that we've actually got an extended investment committee, as it were.
Luckily, one of the guiding concepts that we had right at the start is to bring in the best professional trades that we can work with. So whether it's the architect, project managers, the builder, and we've got a fantastic team around us, and we continue to do that to this day. And our private investors are incredibly important to us because we wouldn't be here without you. So I thank you all if you've invested with Prosperity.
And I do thank you. I thank you for continuing to believe in us, to trust us, and to come on this journey with us. Very, very important. And you are very, very important to us. So thank you very, very much for that.